Hello, I'm Nelson Pereira from bnetTV. Welcome to the Mobile World Congress 2013 in Barcelona. And with us is Douglas Gilstrap from Ericsson. How you doing, sir?
I'm doing well. How are you?
I'm doing excellent. It's always great to be here, and everybody in the industry is here. The whole ecosystem is pretty much covered in one location, and that is Barcelona every year, and the best companies of the world come and play. And we get to know who they are, what they do, and what role they play. But your company is one of the special ones. Please talk to us about Ericsson and what brings you to Barcelona.
Great. Well, every year we have a large presence here in Barcelona. This is the annual event for the mobile industry. We're the industry leader in mobile infrastructure, services, and of course OSS/BSS software. All that makes mobile and the network society run. So the ecosystem, we're in all different parts, and it's about mobility. So that's why Ericsson has such a big presence here.
And for how long has Ericsson been doing this?
Oh, as long as we can remember. We're always part of this wonderful event.
No, I agree 100%. I think from the foundation of the entire wireless communication industry, from the backhaul to the devices themselves, you guys have played an important part of it, and I pretty much follow you guys all around the world.
Yeah, well, I mean, we go from the access to the core. We have services, we have software. We help networks run their networks, operators run their networks with efficient software and the best technology. It's global scale, technology leadership, and our global services.
And for some of our first viewers out there who are looking to do business with Ericsson, I have to say, you guys are not only being trusted to handle the best network, including the upgrade of existing network, but every time I turn my head around the news, you guys are getting major contracts. Providers are really entrusting you guys to not only revamp the infrastructure, and I tell this to all my new viewers, that your company is actually right on the top of the threshold of getting everybody up to speed, both on the 3G and the 4G spectrum world.
Yes, you have to remember, 2G, 3G, and 4G, we're the leaders. We have the most patents, we have the largest footprint, we're by far the largest service provider running these networks. So not only do we know the technology, we know how to run these networks. Absolutely. And of course, when you know how to run the networks, you have the service capability, that leads to SI, systems integration capability, for software, OSS and BSS. And today with machine-to-machine or new different data plans coming out, you're going to have all different types of billing platforms and billing solutions and tiered billing. You have to be able to address that, and we, Ericsson, are here to help the operators do that.
And what brings you to Barcelona this year? What's one new announcement can you give me about the Mobile World Congress with Ericsson?
Sure. I mean, we talked about Air. We launched the Air product. We launched the SAP cooperation on machine-to-machine. That's an easy one. It's the Ericsson Device Connectivity Platform. We're taking that platform, which is a cloud-based solution, and it helps operators go and service machine-to-machine capabilities with enterprise. We bring in SAP, that's got a large enterprise vertical in terms of applications that can layer on top of our connectivity device platform. It's a good match. You got the world's leader in mobility and a world's leader on the enterprise software. So that's what we're trying to do to further push the network society with machine-to-machine.
And actually, talking about machine-to-machine, that is one of the biggest buzz that I heard for the last 3 or 4 years coming here. That plus cloud computing, cloud services, it seems to be there's a bridge between them, and people are starting to figure out how to make that bridge work. And I'm sure Ericsson will play an important part of that market.
So our operators are asking us, how can Ericsson help them with more data revenue?
Yes.
This is a great example of taking our connectivity platform, the Ericsson connectivity platform, where we activate, we monitor, we manage, we bill, we do subscription management, and let them service the enterprise and their machine-to-machine needs. These enterprise companies are trying to all go mobility. Ericsson is trying to help the operators help them with mobility.
And finally, what is the future of wireless communication? Every year we come here is larger and larger. More people are involved in the industry. What is Ericsson's perspective, and how will they play a role in that?
Well, we always talk about the network society. So everything that needs to be connected will be connected. That's kind of the next evolution in terms of machine to machine. It helps society, it helps businesses, it increases productivity. So Ericsson is there to push that in the network society.
Well, I don't doubt it. Obviously, everybody who's revamping the infrastructure right now is giving you guys a call. And I'm pretty sure this is the beginning.
We're in 180 countries. They can call us wherever. We're in every major city in the world. We have a market share lead, and we have to work hard to keep it going and keep innovating.
Well, Douglas, thanks so much for spending time with us. As always, I will see you next year, and I'm always going to look forward to hear you guys in the news because you guys are always there.
Very good to see you, and I look forward to seeing you next year.
And this is Nelson Pereira from bnetTV at the Mobile World Congress 2013 in Barcelona.